Hi everyone, I'm Jesse from Farol. We got the Avant Roadshow here tomorrow, which is Friday the 31st, starting at 9:30. We're here with Kerr, who's brought these machines out here for the Roadshow. So what have you brought out, Kerr?
We've got one of every model range, so from 200, 400, 600, 700 an R. We've got an electric machine. We've also got the brand new 860i, first ones in the country. So plenty of everything for everyone to see.
So we've also got a couple of competitions for you to win. So one of the competitions that we've got is to guess the weight of this pink bale. The closest, or the person who gets the weight right, will win a Avant coat. We will also be donating money to cancer research from the weight, obviously the competition of this bale. So we'll be charging you £1 for your guess, and that money will go to cancer research. So what's the other competition, Kerr?
So every person who comes here tomorrow and registers will be entered into a prize draw. The first prize being a week's hire of one of these 745s with an attachment of your choice. And the other prizes are jackets, hats and a model. So come along and register, make yourself known to somebody from Farol, fill in the form and you will be entered in the draw. So come along tomorrow from 9:30. Hot dogs will be on, tea and coffee. See you all tomorrow.
See you in the morning.